Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal without a microwave, focusing on simple, accessible methods. First up, the classic stovetop method. This approach gives you excellent control over the texture and creaminess of your oats. You'll need just a few basic ingredients and a saucepan. It's a wonderfully comforting way to start your day, offering a warm and satisfying meal in under 10 minutes. Next, let's explore the incredibly convenient method of overnight oats. This no-cook option is perfect for busy mornings, as it requires zero cooking time when you wake up. Simply prepare it the night before, and your breakfast is ready to grab and go. It's also fantastic for incorporating various healthy additions, making it a nutritious and customizable meal that stays fresh for several days in the refrigerator. For those times when you need a super fast breakfast without a microwave, the kettle method is your best friend. This technique is especially great for instant or quick cooking oats, delivering a warm meal in just a few minutes. It's ideal for dorm rooms, offices, or any situation where a stovetop isn't available but a kettle is. Just boil your water, pour, and enjoy a satisfying bowl. Finally, let's talk about making your oatmeal truly delicious with some fantastic topping ideas. Customizing your bowl is where the fun really begins, allowing you to tailor it to your personal taste and nutritional needs. From fresh fruits and crunchy nuts to a touch of sweetness, these additions elevate your oatmeal from simple to spectacular. Experiment with different combinations to discover your favorite morning masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.